Hobby horsing account is 540. Slay. That's my jump? Dang, I forgot. Oh, that looks low. Wipe that. It's so rainy today. So that's how high I'm jumping, I guess. Yes, we did get new jumps. Oh, remember my last video when it started raining like lazy? Like lazy, yeah. Dang. Nice!
I was never good at jumping up there.
Oh, I feel bad for him. He's in the rain. He never suffered the rain. Okay, let's do that again. Wait, maybe I'll just back this up. That's as light as a feather, just to warn you guys. You guys should be able to get them on Amazon. What?
Wait, can I record it?
Wait, real quick, I'm gonna... Yeah. Real quick. Oh, is that? That's okay, buddy. You can always retry things. My God, the camera's wet. Sorry if this video is bad quality. God damn. Oh, my toe touched it. Yeah. Bye.